Case study based question related to the chapter trigonometry. Okay. The now question is, a helicopter lifts up 1000 feet over an island and spots a swimmer that need to be rescued. Using a distant landmark, the helicopter pilot determines the angle of depression. This is the figure given. This is the island and here is swimmer. Angle of depression is 60 degree. Okay. Now the answers of the following questions. The question number 1 is, if the angle of depression increases, what will be the effect? If the angle of depression increases means 60 to come this side. Okay. Now options are, the helicopter gets further from the island. Next option, the helicopter gets closer to the island, the swimmer gets closer to the island, and the swimmer gets further from the island. If the angle of depression increases such that the swimmer is here, the swimmer is closer to the island. But which is the right option? The swimmer gets closer to the island. This is the right option. Okay. Now the second, how does the swimmer's distance from the island changes as the angle of depression is halved from 60 degree to 30 degree? How does the swimmer's distance from the island changes as the angle of depression is halved from 60 degree to 30 degree? Now the options are, the swimmer's distance decreases to less than a quarter of his starting distance. Next, the swimmer's distance from the island doubles. The swimmer's distance from the island increases 3 times. The swimmer's distance from the island is halved. Now we can check by solving this question. Okay. First we have to find the distance if the angle of depression is 60 degree, and then find angle of depression is 30 degree. Then we can give the answer of this question. Okay. This is the figure. The angle of depression is 60 degree. It means here is 60 degree. Okay. Now first we have to find the distance x. Now then 60 degree equal to perpendicular by base 1000 by x. Now tan 60 degree is root 3. It means x equal to 1000 by root 3. And now you can rationalize 1000 root 3 by 3 feet. And if the angle of depression becomes 30 degree, it means here is angle 30 degree. Okay. And the distance is y from the island. Now tan 30 degree equal to, height is same 1000 and y. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 equal to 1000 upon y. It means y equal to 1000 root 3. Okay. Now what is the relation between x and y? If x equal to 1000 root 3 by 3. 1000 root 3 is y upon 3. Y equal to 3x. This is the relation between y equal to 3x. This distance triple of this. Okay, you can find like this. The right option is C. The swimmer's distance from the island increases 3 times. Okay. And the next one, for which angle of depression both the helicopter and swimmers will be at the same distance. Okay. Let the angle of depression is theta and helicopter is 100,000 feet and the distance is also same. Now find the theta. Here is theta here. Then tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. It means 1. 1 is the value of theta is 45 degree. The right option is 45 degree. Okay. Next, let the swimmer start out 1019 feet from the island. If he swims half of the distance, What angle of depression? If he swims half of the distance, what is the angle of depression? It means nearly 30 degree, nearly 45 degree, nearly 60 degree, or nearly 90 degree. How we can find? 1000 feet. If the swimmer is 1019 feet, start from here. Okay, and if we run down the half of the distance, it means 500, approx 5 feet. Okay, now what is the angle of depression? This is not the given. What is the angle of depression? Tan 60 degree means x equal to, first we have to find x. X equal to 1000 root 3 by 3. It means 1000 root 3 by 3. This value comes 1000 into 1.732 by 3. Approx 577 point something. And half of this 505. It means approx nearly 60 degree. What is the answer? Approx 60 degree. Nearly 60 degree angle of depression. The answer is the nearly 60 degree. Because if the angle of depression is 60 degree, he swims 577 feet, and then if the 505, the approx 60 degree. Next, last question. How would the angle of depression be affected if the helicopter left its initial position and moved vertically upward? Okay. The first option is angle of depression does not change. It is not possible. Angle of depression increases. Angle of depression decreases. None of the above. If a helicopter is here, then the angle of depression is this. And the helicopter is moved upward. The angle of depression increases or the depression? This will be increase. The angle of depression increase when helicopters move upward. The right option is angle of depression increases. Okay. Thank you.